Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today you'll learn how to add an animated scrolling text, also called a marquee banner like these, in just a few steps with Depicter. A marquee banner is basically a banner with scrolling texts. Let's add some to our website, which is created by Flux Theme. First, you need to add Depicter plugin. So in WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, add new plugin, and search Depicter in the search bar. Install and activate it. In Depicter dashboard, head to Notification bar category, then the Marquee banner subcategory. Let's preview this template. It looks nice. Let's import it. This template is for Pro users only. Upgrade to Depicter Pro right now by using this coupon to get it 100% free. Alright, I have upgraded to Depicter Pro and imported the template. Now, all I want to do is change the texts of each item one after another. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. All done. Let's preview. As you can see, the text is scrolling westward. Let's add another one with the opposite direction. Just click here to get back to Depicter dashboard. That's our banner. Duplicate it. Rename the banner. Then click on it to edit. Go to Options, navigate to Navigation, and set the direction to reverse. And that's it. Publish the changes. Let's go ahead and add the banner to our website. Click on Edit with Elementor. Create a new section. Choose your layout. Click on the first column, add the Depicter widget to it, and select the first marquee banner. Then click on the other column and add the reverse banner to it. Now publish. Let's see the result. There you have it, two marquee banners moving in opposite direction give the website such a cool look. Here you can see that I've added the banners in different parts of the homepage and they all look good. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Bye!